dermatologist about Enbrel.
You can pick your wife, but you can't pick your in-laws.
You afraid of me?
Yes, I'm a little.
Rob Schneider and Cheech Marin.
I hold a grudge like a nun.
The new hit comedy Rob, CBS next.
Ozzy?
Yeah?
Do you have a secret fantasy?
Yes, I'd like to fly to New York for a colonoscopy.
Enter the CBS Gas Colonoscopy Sweepstakes. You could be our winner.
You're watching KVOI TV, Channel 2.
So this is my Honda Civic, but not as much fun to drive as I thought it would be.
People are selling.